తెలుసుకునేందుకు ప్రయత్నిస్తారు. ఈ తరహా వారి కోసమే కేఏబీ టెలివిజన్ ప్రత్యేకంగా ఉచితంగా ఈ క్లాసెస్ నిర్వహిస్తోంది. ఈ క్లాసెస్లో కలిగే సందేహాల నివృత్తికి ఈ ట్యూషన్స్ కూడా ప్రారంభించబోతున్నామని తెలిపేందుకు సంతోషిస్తున్నాం. ముందుగా ఇవాల్టి మ్యాథ్స్ 2A క్లాస్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయిపోదామా? డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నిన్నటి ఎపిసోడ్లో బైనామియల్ థియరం టాపిక్ గురించి నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. మరి ఈరోజు ఎపిసోడ్లో బైనామియల్ థియరంలోని మిస్లీనియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్తో పాటు డిఫరెన్షియల్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ లిమిట్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి ఈ టాపిక్ను మ్యాథ్స్ బోధనలో విశేష అనుభవం గల నాగశ్రీ గారు వివరిస్తారు.
Now some miscellaneous problems. Miscellaneous problems, some solved problems. Like sigma minus 1 to the power of r CR by 2r plus 1. R runs from 0 to n. As usual, minus 1 to the power of r is there, so I can take like this: sigma minus 1 to the power of r CR x power r. As previously we have by 2r plus 1 if you want to get integration, but here x power r only is there. If x power r is there, if you integrate this x power r plus 1 by r plus 1, but I should get 2r plus 1, so there should be 2r here. So for that, replace x with x square. Then for this, if you integrate, you will get x power 2r plus 1 by 2r plus 1. So 2r plus 1 in the denominator you got, and then you can substitute x is equal to 1 there. So integration 0 to 1, directly I can do from 0 to 1 dx. This side, sigma r is equal to 0 to 1 minus 1 to the power of r CR x power 2r plus 1 by r plus 1 from 0 to 1, so 1 by 2r plus 1 minus 0. This side directly we cannot integrate. Substitute x is equal to integrate this one, I will write this as I is equal to, for that let x is equal to sin theta. As we know, dx is a cos theta d theta, so this comes out to be 1 minus x square, 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta, cos power 2n theta, dx is a cos theta d theta. So 2n plus 1 theta d theta, boundaries for x equal to 0, sin theta 0, therefore theta 0, for x is equal to 1, sin theta 1, therefore theta is equal to pi by 2. This is nothing but according to reduction formula, this is I to n plus 1. As we know, I to n plus 1 is in is n minus 1 by n into in minus 2, like that. That is 2n by 2n plus 1 into I to n minus 1. That is 2n minus 2 by 2n minus 1, 2n minus 4 by 2n minus 3 and so on. As we know, in denominator 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, so these are odd numbers, you are going to get finally I1, because last one is I1. Before that, this comes out to be 2 here, 3 here. That is I3. Last but one is I3. I3 is 2 by 3 I1. So 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n minus 2, 2 into 1. I can say this is 2 power n into n minus 1, n minus 2 till 1. That is n factorial by, in the denominator, 3 into 5 into 7 into and so on, 2n plus 1 into I1. I1 is nothing but 1. As we know, I1 is a integration cos theta d theta from 0 to pi by 2, that comes out to be 1. So, that is 1. So, sigma minus 1 to the power of r cr r into cr to r plus 1, that is so this I is nothing but this 2 power n into n factorial by this one. So, this is equal to this one, like this, by substitution and integration, and by substitution we can get the value of sigma minus 1 to the power of r cr by 2r plus 1. This is one miscellaneous problem using integration. One more integration problem. Find sigma cr by r plus 1 into r plus 2 into r plus 3, r is equal to 0 to n. So, for this again take the dx from 0 to x, sigma cr x power r integration 0 to x dx. This is sigma cr x power r plus 1 by r plus 1 after substitution. This is a 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. R plus 1 we have, r plus 2 I have to get. If I integrate this, I am going to get r plus 1 by r plus 2. So, again integrate from 0 to x only. Here this is sigma cr by r plus 1 into r plus 2 x power r plus 2, r is equal to 0 to n. For x same, for 0 it is 0, and this side the integration is 1 plus x 1 by n plus 1 into 1 plus x whole power n plus 2 by n plus 2 minus x from 0 to x. This comes out to be 1 plus x whole power n plus 2 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus x by n plus 1, minus when 0 is substituted here 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus 0. So, this is equal to this one, and we should get r plus 1, r plus 2, r plus 3. So, once again integrate sigma cr x power r plus 2 by r plus 1 into r plus 2. So, integration 0 to x